over there. Okay, so before the video got started, I wanted to let you guys know that the content that I have is not everything that I wanted. I wanted to try different winter drinks, and I wanted to actually vlog me going to get the Christmas tree. But y'all, life started lifing, and I couldn't even finish the vlog how I wanted to. So I hope y'all enjoyed the content that I do have. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, Anna Dollz, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome. So y'all read that title. So it's pretty much, this is something different. I never really had this on my channel, but I'm basically like, well, I'm lying, but it's gonna be like a mixture of things in this video. So I'm prepping for the winter, but right now it's a photo shoot. So if y'all don't know, now you know. Go shop with my girl, period. And yeah, I'm finna show y'all the fit. So yes, go shop, okay? Go shop. Because if you're not shopping, what is you doing? What is you doing? Period. I need some music or song.
Somebody turn on the car.
Oh, good.
Somebody turn on the car. This beach almost just to my head on.
I'm just playing around right here.
Look at this. Look at the camera. Look, you can tell the difference.
Yeah, we out here. Period, boo. So we finished shoot. You already know what's going on. Don't play with it. Yeah. Green Ogre? What the fuck? This shit keep blowing, so I gotta keep touching.
Oh yeah, this. Oh, I thought you were rap this shit. What the hell?
Y'all, my little curl done fell. It is what it is, though. We got the pics in, though. Pics look good. Y'all make sure y'all go shop. I don't know how many times I gotta say that. Go shop, go shop. Because if you ain't shopping, baby, what is you doing? Period. Let them know, so let them know.
Shop. Official next thing.
Sure.